is working on a new WhatsApp feature that lets users upload documents directly to Meta AI. As WhatsApp users rely on Meta AI, the assistant file support has been limited. Users can upload photos from their iPhone's gallery or take a new one from the chat. But now, users can ask questions about the content. Meta AI still lags behind other AI-powered assistants that allows users to upload documents, enabling them to ask questions about the file, such as lengthy spreadsheet, or to discuss the content of the PDF directly with the assistant. Based on WhatsApp beta 26.20.10.72 available through test flight, the app is now rolling out a ability to share documents with Meta AI to some beta testers. The option appears in the chat attachment menu, allowing users to send files directly to Meta AI without copying or pasting or relying screenshots. WA Beta Info notes that features available for some testers. The site also notes features have started rolling out on WhatsApp beta for Android, and the test flight build brings the iOS version in line with the rollout. As in case, WA Beta Info says that a limited number of users may be able to test documents sharing with Meta AI through the App Store version. As in case with new versions of WhatsApp, there is no telling when it will roll out to all the users.